Welcome to part 3 in the completion of my master bath remodel. We are jumping right into tiling. We went with the same tile we used on the floors with a little bit darker grout. We have a lot to do to get this bathroom finished, so please sit back and enjoy the video. right, so we'll do a brief catch up. So these two doors, or the door and the panel I installed, I don't know if anyone noticed, but I actually installed them upside down. There was a sticker on there and the words were upside down. And there's actually stenciling on the glass on the bottom of it. I did not think it would matter, but it actually does. So I had to take these off and flip them upside down and put them back in, which was kind of a pain. This glass isn't very light. These panels aren't as bad as that big panel I put in. The big panel weighs about 125 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. For the shower, I've already done 100% silicone caulk all the way around it. So we're caulked in. This shower is good to go. For the vanity, we have the faucets, so I'm about to install those. And if you're wondering why there's a plug in the middle of the wall, our vanity light is actually in the mirror. So all I had to do was move down the wire, install the plug, and then I'll install the mirror. What I'm waiting on right now is I actually had to patch the hole and sand it. So now I got to repaint it before I put the mirror up. So we're on the home stretch now. Let's go ahead and get these faucets installed. And we're finished. I think the bathroom came out great. One thing I'll probably do in the future is only do one of these lights in the overhead. With all three of these on, it was extremely bright in here. So what I did was I attached them to a dimmer. So I'll turn the dimmer up. But with the dimmer up, like these lights get really bright in here. The shower came out amazing. There's a lot of room in here. And again, that height of the shower head, at least for me, is perfect. I like them high. For the mirror, no complaints. I like it. Again, it puts out plenty of light, so you don't have to have actually the vanity light above a mirror. And it installed very easy with just the plug. So no issues there. I didn't talk about the closet much. Really, we didn't do too much in here. What I did do was I built these out of 1/2-inch plywood and stained them. And all I did was just miter them, put them in here, and just sit them right on these wire racks. It actually makes it look more custom. And that's really all I did in here. We didn't even paint in here, so it's just a closet. For the heated floors, I keep it set on 74. But it has a schedule in there, so every morning it turns to 81 and at night it turns to 81. Pretty much about 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours at night. And if you've never had a heated floor before, they are a game changer. Let me know if y'all have any questions down below, and I guess I'll see y'all on the next one.